My name's Roger Warwick.
And I'm Mario Fernandes.
We're the founders of GoLisbon.com. We launched the site in 2004 as a guide to help tourists visiting Lisbon and Portugal. Since then, our site and traffic have grown. We now sell products and services directly from our site and have 5 times as many visitors as we did back then. We're the site for anyone planning a trip to Lisbon. I heard about AdSense in an online community and signed up for it when it was launched. It was easy and flexible to set up, and I found it to be a good, reliable income stream, thanks to the rich media ads and all the new reporting functionality.
We're always looking to grow our site by throwing a spotlight on more places in Lisbon for visitors. One of the great things about the city is that it's constantly changing. There are always new museums, restaurants, and other attractions to review. AdSense provides us with 100% of our advertising revenue, so we don't have to worry about selling ads. Instead, we spend our time discovering and sharing the best of Lisbon.